So this is what the front of the dress is looking like. Okay, like I'm telling you, this is not a 3X. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline and we are back with another video. So in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be doing a quick haul of some of the items that I purchased from Rainbow's, Least Discount, and a few from Macy's. So if this is your first time here, if you want to see more of me on your timeline, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and do all of that razzle dazzle. Okay, it's gonna be a quick haul, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first items I got from Rainbow, this is like this cardigan, right? It's like a really long cardigan and it has like the little slit. So I've been literally wearing this like every day. So it's in a size large. I think I paid like $3 for it. So this is what it looks like. So this is the cardigan. It's super duper long, as you can see. Yeah. But you guys, like, I literally put it on everything. If I'm going to church and I have like something that's sleeveless, I just throw it on. Or if I'm going out and I just need to throw something on, I throw it on. And it's very, very comfortable. So yeah, this is one of them. I think it was $3. And all of the items I picked up from Rainbow's, even though it was like 5-6 items, I only paid like $30. Like, okay, we shop clearance section at Rainbow's. Okay, so this is this one in a size large. I'm pretty sure you're not gonna be able to find it because it was on clearance, so you know, yeah. I also picked up a lot of these dresses. So this is one of this dress from Rainbow. It's a little bit see-through, right? But this is what it looks like. I got it in a size 3X. It was, I don't know how much it was originally, but I got it for $3. So this is what the dress looks like. It's very, you know, fall appropriate. When I tried it on, you guys, it's not giving 3X vibes because there's no way that this is a 3X, and look how it is. And it's very body huggy on me, and I know I'm not necessarily a 3X, but when I put it on, it was like, girl, this is not a 3X. So yeah, some of their sizing is, I don't think it's like right in my opinion. So this is what the front of the dress is looking like. Okay, like I'm telling you, this is not a 3X. This is what the back is looking like. So yeah, you would need the appropriate undergarments, and this is how long the dress is on me. And I'm telling you, like, they say this is a 3X. Like, I got it because I thought it was gonna be more loose on me, but it's not. I also got this shapewear from She's Wasted, so I'm gonna go ahead and wear this with this outfit on. As by the way, the spank is like full bodied, so like if you're wearing like a low top, this probably may not be the right one for you. But if you're not, yeah. I feel like this Spanx is just smooths everything, just makes it look more, you know, put together. So this is it with the Spanx on. Like, it just puts, you know, makes it look more put together, you know. So this is it. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So yeah, definitely not 3X, but on to the next dress. I have so many straps showing, but the next dress I have here was originally $11.99. I paid $7 for it, and I think it's a little bit pricey if you ask me. But you guys, the color though, impeccable. This is what it looks like up here, and this is in the back, you know. Probably gonna have to get like those bras, like either strapless or those other type of bras where the back isn't showing, or throw on a sweater and wear my regular degular bra. Isn't it pretty? Oh, hold on. Let me bring up my Spanx a little bit more. The Spanx, it has like this type of compression on here, so it just smooths it out, and I like that. It has the mesh on the side where it pulls up your bootay, and then of course it has like the hole in the middle if you need to use the restroom. So there's a slit on the side of the dress, so yeah, I think it's pretty cute. What do you guys think? I like it. Yes, yes, welcome to my private island. This is definitely a cute dress, like if I'm going on vacation or something, just to wear. It's really cute, and I'm glad I got it, you know, so when I do go on vacation, I already have the dress. And it's like a nice smooth type of material. The material on the inside is definitely different from the outside. Outside is more smooth, it feels more cotton, and the inside is more like silk. So yeah, you guys, the last dress was in a size 2X. This dress is also in a size 2X, originally $9.99, but clearance had it for $3. When I was shopping, I had Thanksgiving in mind, so I was like, I want to look cute from the comfort of my home for Thanksgiving, you know what I'm saying? So I was getting these outfits. This one screams like vacation. I mean, I do live in Florida, but yeah, this is this dress here. This is what it looks like. No slit. This is how long it is. Turn so you guys can see. This is the dress, $3, super cute. What do you guys think? I like the dress. It's stretchy. It's a 2X, but I'm like, the correlation is not correlating. The math ain't mathing, because ain't no way, you know what I'm saying? So they need to get their sizes correct, because I don't feel like it is what they're saying it is. You guys, this next dress, I'm for sure going to wear this for Thanksgiving. It's giving all of the Thanksgiving vibes over here. Originally $10 and I paid $5 for it. Like, the material is like nice and thick, and like it feels good on you type of material. So they're all strapless, as you can see. This is how the back of it looks like. So yeah, so if you have a regular bra on, and it fits with the Spanx, so like you're not even able to see the Spanx. I would just have to fix it properly. And you know what, you guys, I think with the Spanx, I was gonna see like if I don't wear a bra, if my girls will still stand up, so I don't know. We'll have to test that out. But this is the dress. Screaming Thanksgiving. Okay. What do you guys think? You guys, I also got this basic white t-shirt from Rainbows. It was originally $7.99, but I paid $3 for it. It just has these faux buttons right here in the middle, and then at the end of it, it's like a little like wavy type of material. Not naked, it's my Spanx. Nothing really much to say about this, but I could just, you know, wear it with anything at any time, you know, dress it up. You can't really dress it up, but you could, you know, dress casual with it. So yeah. Ooh, it does not fit at all. Okay, so the next item I have or I'm trying to have on is this cute silk top that I got. It was originally like $14, but it was on sale for $3, and I was like, it's cute, I want it, but it's in a size large. I thought it would fit, but my arms, baby. Okay, it's giving you need to go back to the gym and do more arm day, upper body, to get this body correct. But this is what it looks like nonetheless. It's like silky. It's cute, right? I thought it was gonna fit, because I was like, I'm gonna get this cute black skirt and these boots and just, you know, rock it for the fall. But I guess this shirt had other plans. Can't return it because it was on clearance. So yeah. So you guys, I picked up this shirt from Macy's, their last act section. This is a this type of shirt, like you have to, I forgot what it's called, I can't think right now, but yeah, I'll insert it. I got it in black as well. It was like cheap, so I was like, I want it, so I picked it up, and I think I like it. I like it. I feel like I didn't have enough like white, simple white shirts, so with sleeves, so I made sure I picked this one up, and I also got it in the color black. This is the white one, I got it in an extra large, and I think the black, I got it in a large. So let's just throw on the black ones. Why can I not remember what this is? is it like a one piece? I can't remember. A bodysuit. Oh my gosh, I got the bodysuit. Yes. Oh, you guys, I feel like the black one looks really nice. This is what this one is looking like, and I like it. I feel like the black one on this side here is a little bit loose, so I probably have to use like some type of tape or something to get it to stay. But yeah, this is cute. I like the little square looking shape the shirt got going on, so that's what intrigued me by getting it. And I literally saw a video the other day. I was like, you know, like if you have a different, you know, bust then somebody else is gonna look different. And I don't know why I picked it up, but I was like, I like it, so I got it. 2 for 1, 2 for 1 deal happening over here. Okay guys, so I picked up this skirt from Didi's discount, right? I got it for $8.99, and this skirt really screamed fall. I got it in a size, I got it in a large. It's pretty stretchy, so I was like, the large is gonna fit me, I hope. So let's go ahead and test it out. Of course it fits. It better have fit. This is what the skirt is looking like on your girl. It's pretty long. I thought it was gonna be a little bit short, but it's not. Yeah, I was thinking about wearing like a tan looking top and like some boots or something with it, just to be like really cute. And yeah, it's pretty stretchy and it's pretty like flowy and stuff like that. So, and I can still wear my Spanx. Last item for sure. I wanted to show you guys this beautiful green dress that my friend got me. It didn't fit her, so she thought about me, and I'm like, you know what, I appreciate God for speaking to your heart to give this dress to me. I think it's really cute. Nice green dress, you guys. Look how cute it is. And it's the type of dress that I like because like it's loose, like you can't tell like what's going on, like what's happening type, you know what I'm saying? It's an illusion, and I love it. Like, look how cute it is. Look how cute it is. Hey, this is what it looks like in the back. I didn't button it or tie it up, but this is the back. And yeah, it's cute. So you have this and then this. So this is kind of see-through, but you have the green to combat it. So yeah. Pretty much it for this haul. Like I mentioned before, it was a really quick haul. I just picked up some cute items that I thought were reasonably priced, aka they were on clearance, and I just thought they were cute, and I just wanted to share with you guys. You know, I love me rainbows. I like me the Macy's Last Act, and you know, Didi's discount. I don't know if you guys comment down below if you have that in the area that you reside in. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. And like I always say, put God first and you'll never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.